Thanks for checking out the N14 injector. This particular injector is a remanufactured injector with a full 1-year warranty. It's going to come with all brand new O-rings as well as a fuel screen. If you've got a problem with a miss, erratic idle, excessive fuel consumption, smoke, those are all symptoms that can be caused by an injector, and this may fix your problem. If you're chasing injectors on an N14 just from personal experience, a lot of times you may replace one, 6 months later you replace another one, 6 months later you replace another one. It's been my experience that N14s are best done in full sets. That's going to give you the smoothest, best operating engine that you could ask for.